Hello friends, welcome to Starmark Engineering. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. Today, we're diving into the top 15 small machines for home businesses that could bring you serious profits. In today's fast-paced world, more and more people are dreaming of starting a business from home. Thanks to modern technology and the availability of compact machines, this dream is now more attainable than ever. Having the right equipment can be the game changer that sets your business up for success. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply looking to expand your home-based operations, these machines are essential. They don't just save space but also offer a wide range of functionalities to support various business ideas. So if you're eager to get started with a home business using small machines, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll showcase the top 15 machines that are perfect for launching your own home-based venture. Number 1, Edible Biscuit Teacup Machine. This innovative machine allows you to create edible teacups made from biscuits. It's a game changer for anyone wanting to add an eco-friendly and fun twist to serving beverages. Perfect for home use, cafes, and even event organizers, this machine automates the biscuit cup making process, letting you produce them in large batches. Number 2, Offset Printing Machine. Love design and printing? With an offset printing machine, you can create high-quality materials like business cards, brochures, and more, all from home. This machine ensures precise colors and sharp images, making it an invaluable tool for anyone wanting to offer local printing services. Number 3, Cattle Feed Making Machine. With the demand for quality cattle feed on the rise, this machine is ideal for anyone in the agricultural sector. It processes grains, oilseeds, and other ingredients into nutritious pellets. Producing your own cattle feed not only saves costs but also opens up opportunities to sell surplus feed to other farmers. Number 4, Ice Cream Cone Making Machine. Everyone loves ice cream, and an ice cream cone making machine is the perfect way to capitalize on that. This machine automates the creation of fresh, crispy cones, which can be sold to local parlors, catering companies, or even used to start your own ice cream business. Number 5, Paper Egg Tray Making Machine. Want to help the environment and start a profitable business? A paper egg tray making machine recycles waste paper into biodegradable egg trays. As demand for eco-friendly packaging grows, this is a great opportunity to make a positive impact and turn a profit. Number 6, Tissue Paper Making Machine. Tissue paper is a staple in homes, offices, and restaurants. With this machine, you can produce high-quality tissue papers of various sizes right at home. Customize the product to suit different markets and meet the demand for this everyday essential. Number 7, Scrubber Making Machine. Scrubbers are essential cleaning tools, and the demand for them is consistently high. A scrubber making machine lets you manufacture scrubbers from materials like nylon and stainless steel. It's a simple but profitable way to start a home-based business. Number 8, Nonwoven Bag Making Machine. With the increasing awareness of plastic pollution, nonwoven bags are becoming more popular. This machine allows you to produce biodegradable, reusable bags, offering a fantastic way to tap into the growing demand for eco-friendly products. Number 9, Spice Powder Making Machine. If you have a love for cooking and spices, this machine is for you. A spice powder making machine grinds spices, allowing you to package and sell freshly ground powders to local stores, restaurants, or even directly to customers who appreciate authentic flavors. Number 10, Aluminum Foil Container Making Machine. Widely used in the food industry, aluminum foil containers are in constant demand. With this machine, you can produce customized containers in various shapes and sizes, catering to restaurants, food vendors, and catering services. Number 11, Ball Pen Making Machine. Pens are a daily necessity, and with a ball pen making machine, you can manufacture pens in different styles and colors. Sell directly to schools, offices, or stationery stores and tap into the evergreen demand for writing instruments. Number 12, Sanitary Napkin Making Machine. Sanitary napkins are a crucial hygiene product, and their demand continues to grow. This machine allows you to produce affordable, high-quality sanitary napkins, making it a valuable business opportunity that also contributes to women's health and well-being. Number 13, paper plate making machine. Perfect for eco-friendly events, paper plates are highly popular. With this machine, you can create disposable plates made from biodegradable materials, offering an environmentally conscious alternative to plastic tableware. Number 14, noodle making machine. Noodles are a global favorite, and a noodle making machine can help you break into the fast-growing instant noodle market. This machine automates the process, letting you create different types of noodles to sell to local grocery stores or restaurants. Number 15, incense stick making machine. Incense sticks are used in many homes for religious or aromatic purposes. With this machine, you can produce fragrant sticks in various scents, and there's always demand from temples, spiritual centers, and retail stores. We hope this video inspires you to start your own business. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great business ideas.